Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Okay, let's start our class for 4th class term 2 science. Okay, 4th class term 2 science. Yes, already we started our 4th lesson, that is on weather. Few of the topic we completed. Today we are going to learn about the today we are going to learn the remaining topic. Today we are going to learn about the formation of seasons, how the seasons are formed. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The axis of the earth is tilted. Due to the tilted axis, one side is closer to the sun and the other side is closer to the sun has warmer. This side from the sun has winter. This revolution of the earth causes season. So how we are getting the seasons means the movement of the earth around the sun. The earth is moving around the sun, that is called as a revolution. So when this isn't moving, the earth isn't tilted. When the earth is moving around the sun, what happened at that time? The earth isn't tilted. Due to this tilted axis, one side is closer to the sun. So one side of the earth is close to the sun and another way isn't far. The side close to the sun has a summer. So the part of the earth which is closer to the sun, that is called as a summer, and the part of the earth which is far away from the sun, that is called as a winter. So when the earth is closer and far to the sun means the movement of the earth, when the earth is moving around the sun, that is called as a revolution. Due to the revolution, the one side of the earth is close to the sun, another is far. So when it is getting close, what happens? Summer season has formed, and another when it is far to the sun, it is called as a winter. That's how the seasons are formed. Understood all of you? Okay, next, formation of wind. Moving air is called wind. A gently wind is called a breeze. So what happened here? The moving air, the air which is moving, that is called as a wind. A gently wind is called as a breeze. Wind is also called as a breeze. The sun heats up the surface of the earth during the day. As a result, the air above the surface of the earth becomes hot. Hot air is light and rises up. At the same time, the cool air from the surrounding areas moves and it takes place at the place of the rising warm air. This movement of air causes the wind to blow. So what happened here? The sun heats up the surface of the earth. So what happened on the earth? The sun is heating up. So after that, as a result, the air above the surface that becomes hot. So when the surface of the earth, the first surface of the earth during the sun, what happened? It becomes hot. So due to the surface of the air is hot, then the surface of the earth is hot, then air also becomes hot. So when at the same time when the surface of the earth is cool, then the air is also rising warm air or cool air. So that movement of the air that causes the wind to blow. Okay, next, sea breeze. What is a sea breeze? During the day, the land gets heated much faster than the sea. As the land gets heated, the air below it to gets hot. So this warm air is lighter than the cool air above the sea. So what happened here? Sea breeze means what happened during the daytime, the land gets completely heated. So the land gets heated much faster than the sea. Sea से भी ज़्यादा heat कौन से होते? Land heat होती है. Okay, so after heating the land, the air above it also gets hot. जैसे from the where we are getting the air? From the atmosphere. Where is the atmosphere? It is on the earth only. So the first layer is above the land, there is an atmosphere. So when the land is heated, automatically the air also gets hot. So this warmer air is lighter than the cool air that is above the sea. Above the sea, what happened? The warmer air is hotter than the warmer air. So the warm air above the land rises. The cool air above the sea flows towards land to take the place of the warm air. Thus a cool breeze blows towards the land during the day. This is known as a sea breeze. So what happened? Warm air. So what happened here? The cool air above the sea, whatever the cool air which is present above the sea, it flows towards the land and it takes place to the warm air. Thus, a cool breeze blows towards the land during the day. This is known as a sea breeze. I hope you all understood the class, and remaining topic we will continue in the next lesson. and your homework is this sun. You have to draw it and send me. Okay, this sun. Thank you.